In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Slack in 2025 with this full tutorial. Let's dive right in and get you set up to streamline your workflow across these powerful platforms. First, we'll start by heading over to Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, you'll want to go ahead and click on Login. This is where you'll sign into your account using your email, or if you prefer, via your Google account. It's pretty straightforward, but take your time to ensure you're using the correct login details for a seamless experience. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Look for the boards option and then move to the Your Workspaces section. This is where all your collaborative projects live. Once there, choose the board that you want to link with Slack. If you have multiple boards, be sure to select the one that's relevant for this integration. Next, let's make our way to the workspace settings. You'll find this option either at the top corner of your board or in the sidebar, depending on your Trello setup. Go ahead and click on it. Now keep an eye out for the workspace settings. Once you spot it, give it a click to access more options. Now this is where you'll see the Slack Workspaces linking section. This integration helps bring all your notifications, updates and collaboration into one place. Super convenient, right? When you've located the Slack section, click on Add to Slack. This button initiates the process of connecting your Trello account to your Slack workspace. The next screen will be your Slack authorization page. Here you'll find a series of permissions that Trello needs to integrate with Slack. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure to allow both platforms to communicate effectively. Pay attention to the permissions requested, and once you're ready, click Allow to proceed. The final step in Trello's integration process is to authorize access. You'll see another Allow button. This step confirms the connection and enables Trello to send updates directly to your Slack channels. Once you've clicked Allow, the integration is complete. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Trello to Slack. Now all your team's activities on Trello can seamlessly appear in your Slack workspace, making communication swifter and keeping everyone on the same page. And that wraps up our tutorial. With these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing efficiency and communication across your Trello boards and Slack channels. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-tos and tech tips. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.